The coronavirus outbreak has slammed the global airline industry. South Korean airlines are forecast to see their sales drop by billions of dollars as a result. In an effort to help airlines as bookings dry up, the United States is also considering offering tax relief for U.S. airlines to help them navigate those stormy waters. Our Hong Yoo reports.
As the coronavirus outbreak continues to spread around the world, the global airline industry is facing what some are calling a shutdown crisis. By the end of June, South Korea's airline industry is forecast to see its combined sales slump by at least $4.2 billion. This is due to entry restrictions and bans on travelers from South Korea and lower overall travel demand due to the virus. The Korea Civil Aviation Association said the number of travelers for the fourth week of February was almost 66% lower than the same period last year. But the damage could be even bigger going forward, as these numbers were calculated before Japan restricted entry of people coming in from South Korea. And for low-cost carriers that currently rely on domestic flights for the majority of their profits, losses are mounting up fast. Making matters worse, starting Monday, T-Way Air, Jean Air, EasterJet, and Air Busan are temporarily suspending all flights to Japan. South Korea's flagship carrier, Korean Air, saw its number of passengers drop more than 37% on year in February. In response, South Korea's transport ministry offered up to $254 million in emergency loans last month to low-cost carriers and delayed payment of airport usage fees for up to 3 months. But ministry officials will continue to meet airline executives to hear what they require. In the U.S., the Trump administration is considering a tax deferral to help U.S.-based airlines ride out the crisis.
We may have to go back to Congress for additional appropriation requests. That's May. We don't know yet. But again, please, the story I'm trying to tell is a story of timely and targeted micro forms of assistance, not gargantuan across the board, throw money at the problem, which has never worked in the past, because we think we will get out of this within months.
President Trump also signed an $8.3 billion bill last Friday to boost the U.S. response to the coronavirus outbreak. The International Air Transport Association forecasts airlines worldwide could lose up to $113 billion because of the outbreak. It added the collapse of Flybe, a low-cost British airline, is proof that urgent action is needed to protect the industry. But if the virus is contained and the world economy recovers fast enough, the association says total losses could be limited to $63 billion. Hong Yoo, Arirang News.